Hello and welcome to Simplified, giving you an all-you-need-to-know explanation of current events and trending topics within just a few minutes. I'm your host, Priyanka Deo. Today's topic is the JIMEX 2020, or the Japanese-Indian Maritime Exercises 2020. Here's what you need to know. JIMEX 2020, or the Japan-Indian Maritime Exercises, took place for the fourth time from September 26th through 28th, 2020. This is the fourth edition of the India-Japan Naval Exercises, which focused on maritime security cooperation. The training was held in the Arabian Sea and involved advanced exercises across the span of maritime exercises. These exercises reflected advanced degrees of both interoperability and joint operational skills. Training included weapon firings, helicopter operations, anti-submarine and air warfare drills, and strengthening coordination between the two navies. With COVID-19 restrictions in mind, JIMEX 2020 was also conducted in a non-contact, at-sea only manner. The Indian Navy was represented by the Navy's most capable warships, including destroyer ship INS Chennai, frigate INS Tarkash, and fleet tanker INS Deepak. The Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force was represented by naval ships, a helicopter destroyer, and a guided missile destroyer as well. The training also included maritime patrol aircrafts, helicopters, and fighter aircrafts. Japan is part of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, which aims to counter China's influence in the Indo-Pacific region. Thus, this year's JIMEX was especially important to India due to ongoing tensions with China, including Indian troops continuing an almost 5-month-long face-off in Ladakh. An Institute of Defense Analyses research paper states, and I quote, "As a maritime nation, India and Japan have a significant convergence of vision for ensuring good order at sea in the Indo-Pacific realm. The Tokyo Declaration for the India-Japan Special Strategic and Global Partnership, signed in September 2014, signified the convergence of views on global interests, critical maritime interconnection, and the growing international responsibilities of the two countries." In other words, India and Japan have a shared interest in maritime security. The JIMEX 2020 exercises show the commitment to maritime security cooperation between India and Japan at a time when maritime strategy is rapidly gaining prominence. In fact, this year's JIMEX also marks the first bilateral exercise since India and Japan signed an agreement on September 9th that allows each country to access each other's bases for logistical support. Thank you for watching Simplified. This is Priyanka Deo signing off.